Hi guys, lesson for today, Food Safety Act of 2013 or Republic Act 10611. The Food Safety Act of 2013 or Republic Act 10611 is a law made to make sure that all the food we eat in the Philippines is safe, clean, and of good quality. So si Food Safety Act of 2013, sabi nga natin Republic Act Republic Act 10611, no? Sinisiguro nito na yung ating mga pagkain ay ligtas, malinis at mataas yung kalidad. It aims to protect everyone from getting sick due to dirty, spoiled, or contaminated food. Ang pangunahing layunin talaga ng batas na ito ay siguraduhin na ligtas tayo, no, mula sa mga pagkain na maaaring magdulot sa atin ng sakit, no, yung mga sirang pagkain or yung mga kontaminado na pagkain. It also ensures that the food products are labeled honestly so people know what they are eating or buying. Sinisiguro din nitong batas na ito na talagang yung mga labeling sa ating mga binibiling pagkain ay tama at naaayon sa batas. No, para sa gayon, tayo bilang mga consumers ay well informed. Alam natin kung ano yung binibili natin at ano yung kinakain natin. Pati na yung mga ingredients na nakakapasok dito. In short, this law makes sure food is safe from the time it's produced on farms until it reaches our plates. No, sa madaling sabi nga, itong batas na to sinisiguro na yung mga pagkain ay ligtas mula sa pag-ani hanggang sa makarating sa ating plato. Ito yung tinatawag na farm to fork approach. No, this idea is called the farm to fork approach, meaning that every step from planting, harvesting, processing, transporting, selling, to eating must follow food safety rules. So mula farm hanggang fork na approach, sinisiguro na ligtas yung ating pagkain. So ano ba yung mga main goals pag pinag-usapan natin yung Food Safety Act of 2013? Number 1, pangunahin na sa lahat is to protect people's health. No? Pinoprotektahan yung mga tao. The law wants to prevent food poisoning and other diseases caused by unsafe food. No? Pinoprotektahan tayo. Sinisiguro na ligtas yung pagkain natin, walang possible food poisoning or food-related diseases. It requires that all food be clean, properly handled, and free from harmful germs, chemicals, or dirt. No? So, yan yung isa sa mga pangunahin talaga na goal, na aim ng ating Food Safety Act of 2013. Protektahan tayo mula sa pagkakasakit na dulot ng kontaminadong pagkain. Second, to promote fair and honest trading. The law makes sure that food labels are correct and not misleading, no? Part yan ng mandatory labeling and requirements, 'di ba? Dapat nandyan yung mga labels, tama yung nakalagay doon, hindi misleading, hindi deceiving. No? Napopromote dito yung fairness and honesty pagdating sa trading. This prevents companies from lying about what's inside their products and help protect honest food businesses. O yan. Number 3, strengthen coordination among agencies. No? Nandyan yung batas para mapalakas yung koordinasyon ng mga ahensya. It ensures that government agencies and local offices work together effectively so food safety rules are clear and properly enforced across country. No? Napapalakas yung koordinasyon ng mga iba't ibang ahensya para malaman nila ano yung dapat nilang gawin at nagagawa nila ito ng effective. And then last is to match international food standards. The Philippines follow global food safety guidelines so that local products can compete in international markets and meet world-class standards. So yung batas natin, si Food Safety Act, ay nakasunod sa mga international food standards. No? Ngayon, itong ating Food Safety Act, dahil nakaangkla doon, yung mga ginagawa natin dito, no, na related sa pagkain, ay nakakasunod dun sa international standards. At dahil nakasunod doon, no, nagiging competitive tayo when it comes to international market. Yan. Sabi, meron tayong Food Safety Act. Sino naman yung mga nag-i-implement ng batas na ito? No, pangunahin na dyan si Department of Agriculture or CDA. No, takes care of food safety during farming and harvesting for crops, animals, and fish. So CDA, no, may part when it comes to the implementation of the Food Safety Act of 2013. Sinisiguro niya na during the farming, no, and harvesting ay ligtas yung mga pagkain natin, no, mula sa crops, animals, and even fish. Make sure fertilizers, feeds, and animal medicines used on farms are safe. Dapat lahat ng mga ginagamit natin sa halaman or even sa mga animals ay regulated ng DA, no, ng Department of Agriculture para masiguro na safe ang mga ito. Number 2, Department of Health. Ensures food safety during processing, packaging, selling, and eating. So si DOH daw ang bahala, no, na mag-enforce ng Food Safety Act sa mga pagkakataon ng processing, packaging, selling, and eating. Siya din yung bahala when it comes sa pag-check ng restaurants, canteens, and other food places to make sure they are clean and follow health rules. So, sila yung namamahala dyan. And then, number 3, Food and Drug Administration or CFDA regulates processed and packaged foods. So, no, sa pagdating sa mga packaged, mga processed food, CFDA ang bahala dyan. Ensures that labels are true, ingredients are safe, and factories follow good manufacturing practices or GMP. So si FDA ang bahala sa pagsiguro na yung labeling ay tama. Yung ingredients na nakalagay sa pagkain ay safe, ligtas. Tapos yung mga factories, manufacturing facilities, they follow GMP or yung good manufacturing practices. Last is si local government units. Itong local government units, pangkaraniwan, pinangungunahan ng mga mayors. Enforce food safety rules in local markets, karinderyas, and small food stalls. So, yung mga food stalls, dyan talaga kumukuha ng yung mga food stalls sa maliliit, kumukuha ng permit sa munisipyo, di ba? Kasi yan yung ating local government units. Conduct regular inspections to maintain cleanliness and sanitation. So, sila din, si LGU, yung ating munisipyo ay nagkakandak ng mga inspections pangkaraniwan sa mga local markets, di ba? Sa mga palengke, mga karinderya, mga food stalls, sila yung bahala dyan. Sila yung nag-i-enforce ng Food Safety Act of 2013. Yan. So, ano yung mga important parts of the law? Ano yung mga importanteng parte ng ating Food Safety Act of 2013? National Food System. The law organized how different government agencies should work together to make food safety rules clearer and more efficient. So, nagkakaroon tayo ng mas malinaw. Dahil sa batas na to, isang parte nito, ay nagkakaroon ng sistema yung ating food safety. Mas na-enforce ng tama, mas nagiging efficient, mas nabibigyan ng klarong mga guidelines. Second, traceability system. Business must keep records so that if there's a food problem, authorities can easily find out where the food came from and stop the spread of unsafe products. So si traceability, di ba ilang beses na rin natin napag-usapan na dahil sa packaging, nagkakaroon tayo ng better traceability system. At part yan ng Food Safety Act of 2013. Di ba? Yung lot identification natin, nakikita natin kung ano yung code. At yung code na yun ang nagiging system natin para matrace yung mga product. Inspection and testing. Regular inspections and laboratory testings are done to make sure food meets safety standards before it reaches consumers. So yan, isang importanteng part din ng Food Safety Act is yung inspection and testing of products. Kailangan talagang ini-inspect yung mga manufacturing facilities at tinitest yung mga products para masiguro na ligtas ang mga ito para sa consumers. Penalties and punishments. Food business or businesses that break the rules or sell unsafe food can be fined, closed, or even face legal charges. So, nakasaad sa ating Food Safety Act of 2013 na meron dyan mga penalties and punishments. Imprisonment, fines, or mga multa, or even closure of business nandyan. And then last is education and information. Part ng Food Safety Act of 2013 is that we provide education and information to our consumers. The law also supports training and campaigns to teach people how to properly handle and prepare food safely at home or in businesses. No, so part ng Food Safety Act of 2013 to inform, no, to educate the consumers. Hindi lang si consumers, dapat din yung mga food handlers ay educated when it comes to food safety. The Food Safety Act of 2013 is a law that protects everyone who eats food in the Philippines. It makes sure that food from farms, factories, and restaurants is safe, clean, and properly handled. No? Si Food Safety Act of 2013, again, no? Yan yung batas na nagpoprotekta sa atin, nagpoprotekta sa mga consumers para masiguro na ligtas yung ating mga kinakain, no? Mula sa farm to fork, no? Farm, factories, restaurants, hanggang makain natin. Ay sinisiguro niyan na ligtas yung ating mga foods. Everyone has a role to play. So lahat naman tayo may role na dapat gampanan. Una, the government checks and enforces food safety rules. Si government naman talaga yung dapat nag-i-enforce, nag-check kung nasusunod ba yung mga food safety rules. Kalawa, food businesses must keep their food and equipment clean and safe. Dapat naman talaga, no, si gobyerno, ini-enforce niya yung law. Tayo naman, as food businesses, food business owner, dapat ay sinusunod natin yung batas. Pinapanatiling malinis, maayos, at ligtas yung ating kapaligiran, pati na yung mga ipinoproduce natin na produkto para sa ating mga consumers. Last, si consumer naman should practice safe food handling and proper hygiene at home. No, dapat si consumer, pinapractice din naman niya yung safe food handling and proper hygiene at home. Kasi kung bumili nga tayo ng ligtas na pagkain sa palengke or sa mga supermarket, pero pagdating sa bahay, no, meron naman tayong food safety malpractice, no, possible pa rin magkaroon ng contamination or cross-contamination. Bukod doon, dapat maalam din tayo or we are educated about yung mga proper labeling and packaging. Alam natin kung ano yung mga dapat tingnan doon, the expiration date, no, the lot identification number, the ingredients, di ba, the health and the medical claims na nandoon sa ating mga binibili. Dapat as consumers maalam tayo. Last, no, so Food Safety Act of 2013 helps make sure the food on your plate won't make you sick. So yan, no. All in all, in short, no, in conclusion, talagang si Food Safety Act of 2013 RA or Republic Act 10611 ay sinisiguro na ligtas yung ating pagkain at hindi tayo magkakasakit. No. So yun lang and thank you.